Capcut for noobs. If you want to do a voiceover recording, but this time around you want to use AI, and maybe you've been using AI voice generators, and sometimes we do encounter problems with some of these tools. At a point you're asked to pay. For us that are like beginners, you might find this tool very helpful. Simply click on new project and import that particular project you want to edit. Now, once you're done editing, or once you want to put up a voice, voiceover, AI generated voiceover to your video to edit, simply head to text. Then you can scroll and go to text to audio. Click on text to audio. You can see the sample here. Okay, so I'm going to paste something. I don't know if I have anything to paste here. Okay, I think I have this correct. All right, so we're going to go and generate generate audio for this. So we're going to click done and say it's on voiceover, right? We're going to choose a voiceover model.
A young African man.
So it's not going to play the whole of it for you, I think, because it's just like a preview. Okay, it's just going to show you how it will sound when it's done. Okay, so we have option to edit our voiceover, how the speed is from that is from the text to speech model we are using. This is Jesse. Let me go to something like I need something that is more realistic. Let me see this one.
A young African man.
Okay, I think this one is more balanced. I like that balanced part. But let us explore other ones.
A young African man.
Okay, this is cool too. So let me use this steady male model.
A young African man.
Correct. And I'll click next. So it will say split text automatically. Your text will be automatically split into separate captions. Split automatically. Let me choose split automatically. So it's generating captions and speech for this. So now it has generated audio. Also, it generated caption for us. Okay. So why is generating caption for us is because we got this feature right from text, and we have auto captions, text to audio, text templates. This is where we went to text to audio to get this. So if we play, you can see now
a young African man
animation,
wearing a light blue traditional.
All right, let me decrease the volume of the main video so that we can hear the result of the voice over. Okay, so let me quickly find the audio of the main video. Okay, so this volume, I'll decrease it to 0 and click OK. So now let's listen.
A young African man wearing a light beige traditional outfit with pleated patterns and a black cap, looking at a smartphone in his hand with a curious, slightly amused expression. He's wearing black leather bracelets on.
You can see how pretty this works. And you can only get this. Of course, you can get it in other versions of Capcut. And okay, because for the sake of this particular video, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video. With that link, you'll get to my video where I taught how to get Capcut. This particular version I am using, this version is version 13.90 if I'm not mistaken, and it's the latest version 2025, except by the time you'll be watching this video, other versions, like newer versions, would have been released. Okay, but you can do this in this version. See you in my next video. Peace.